Hi everyone, welcome to our audio tutorial on how to use Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces is a new feature that allows users to host live audio conversations with their followers. It's a great way to connect with your audience, build community and share your thoughts and ideas. First, you'll need to make sure you have the latest version of the Twitter app on your device. Once you've done that, you'll see a new icon in the Compose Tweet section that looks like a speech bubble. When you click on that icon, you'll be taken to the Twitter Spaces section. To start a new space, simply click on the Create a Space button. You'll then be prompted to give your space a title and invite people to join. You can invite up to 10 people to speak in your space and an unlimited number of people to listen in. Once you've created your space, you'll be able to start speaking, and anyone who has joined your space will be able to hear you. You can also invite other speakers by clicking on the Invite button. If you need to mute or unmute someone, you can do so by clicking on the three dots next to their name. You can also customize your space by adding a banner and a background. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your space and select Customize. From there, you can upload your own banner and background. Twitter Spaces also has a feature called Live Transcriptions, which will automatically generate captions of what's being said in your space. This is helpful for people who are hard of hearing or for those who are listening to your space in a noisy environment. Finally, when you're ready to end your space, simply click on the End Space button. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to end the space, and then it will be closed. That's it. With Twitter Spaces, you can easily host live audio conversations with your followers. Give it a try and see how it can help you connect with your audience and build community. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.